on minuet, can you just listen really carefully to one bit of this? Just can't quite seem to get, is bar 8. You get bar 7 onto 8 now. You get onto your shakatura. It's the left hand doesn't keep moving there. Da, 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 da. It sort of starts and then it slows down. You sort of do a funny rhythm in that bar. So try and keep the quavers moving. 2 and 3 and then it should go straight into the next bar. So just try and listen carefully to that on this video and make sure you're copying that when you play it. So then we're doing, again, you can't do enough practice, I don't think, unfortunately, in bars 13 up to the double bar, and that is difficult, that bar, or those section of bars. So we had it in split up so that you did a start and a stop, and I think you still need to do that and stop. All right, do that a few times. Make sure we're getting these breaks in the left hand. Here it is. Okay, then start on that place where you've stopped and do another one. So do that, which is bar 14, just into bar 15. So do both of those a few times when you come to play this music. Then try the whole of those 4 bars. Lift, lift, and count 1, 2, 3. All right, I think I have said that a few times as well in that left hand. 1, 2, 3, and then practice jumping to the next bar. That could be another stop point. So maybe start from the dotted minim bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, to make sure you can go straight onto the next beat without a stop. Okay, then you're going to do bars 21 to 24. So that's this little bit here, isn't it? You're going to do that hand separately, all right? It is a little bit more difficult when you get it hands together because of the staccato. So learn it really thoroughly. Jump to the A, C sharp, D, okay? So make sure you go all the way up to the high G first. Make that staccato, then all these notes are in steps, including the F sharps. Then you jump to A, C sharp and D. That's the right hand. The left hand, the bar before, bar 20, you've got an octave, so you've got to jump all the way up with the 4th finger to A. Then it's B, D, C sharp, D, jump down to F sharp, make sure, A, and then legato. And I'd even go onto the note in the next bar as well. So let's just play those notes again. Make sure you're reading really carefully. 1, 2, 3, B, D, C sharp, D, F sharp, A, D, D, C natural, B with a 3rd finger. All right, so just stick at that little 4-bar section, hands together, and then bar 19 to 20. Again, use some start-stop practice. So start at the beginning of bar 19 and just get the first 2. They're doing skips going in towards each other, and then they almost go back again in the same bar, back to the same 2 notes. If you look, it's like a seesaw effect, all right? In between, there is this F sharp. I do grant you that. So maybe just do that a few times. Then go on to the C sharp and stop at that point. So I'm building it up in little stages. All right, and then see if you can complete the 2 bars. 1, 2, and 3. All right. So if you get, difficult bars like those 2, you just have to build them up in little stages.